When you first get your Apple Watch Series 11 with a sport band, it might look simple, but wearing it correctly makes a big difference in both comfort and accuracy. The sport band uses a pin and tuck design instead of a traditional buckle, which can feel unfamiliar if you've never used this style before. Some users either wear it too loose, making it slide around, or too tight, making it uncomfortable over time. There's also a specific way to remove it safely without forcing the band. Once you understand how the system works, putting it on and taking it off becomes quick, secure, and effortless. It's designed to give you a clean look while staying firmly in place throughout your day. Try these. Step 1. Hold your Apple Watch Series 11 and make sure both band pieces are securely attached. Step 2. Place the watch on your wrist with the screen facing up and centered. Step 3. Wrap the longer band around your wrist. Step 4. Insert the pin into the hole that fits comfortably. Step 5. Tuck the remaining band underneath for a neat and secure fit. Step 6. To remove, pull the band out from underneath and release the pin from the hole.